Now we see that Nike brand is getting 25% off for early Black Friday. I don't know if they'll be dropping any sneakers, but only time will tell. Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got that what? That weekly heat, baby.
Yes,
That
sir.
weekly heat. So these are the shoes that are coming out from November 24th to November 30th. I'm going to go ahead and start it off. So on November 26th, this shoe did get pushed back. This is a collaboration with Jordan Brand. I know a lot of people have been waiting for this shoe to drop. We're talking about Jordan Jumpman Jack, aka called the T-Rex. I don't know why it doesn't look like a T-Rex to me, but it has been reviewed already, so we won't go too much in detail. We're just going to provide you the new information that we have. So we do have official news that it is releasing on Nike Sneakers app on November 26th at 10 o'clock. They have already been loaded up on the site, and you can see them. Price point for men's will be $200. Little kids will be $90. Toddlers will be $75. This overall shoe, majority of the shoe is brown. It does have black hits throughout. You see that black midsole at the bottom. Shoe, we do custom Jack at the bottom in white. Moving around to the back, we do see that Jumpman Jack logo on both shoes. And moving around to the front, we see that strap as normal for the Jumpman Jacks. Let me know if you're trying to cop these shoes. As for me, I'm dropping these because I heard that they're not comfortable, so I can't wear those. But how about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
You know, I like the colorway, you know, with it being winter and everything. I like how they played into that price point, $200. It's pretty steep. I can see this shoe sitting, but I do love the colorway, and I can see myself putting together, you know, some nice fits with it. But just that price point is steering me to just drop those. So drop those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir. So moving on, what we got next, my brother?
So what we have next, we do have the Air Jordan 1 OG. Hold on, man, my computer froze up. 75 and toddlers. I really like how they incorporated the white, the black, and the royal color. And even with the sail, I like how they incorporated that into this shoe. I really love it. They went with the black laces. That right there says a lot, you know, to really bring this shoe out. I like that they went all leather with this shoe. I like that the inner liner is black, right? I really like Jordan Brand putting some thought behind that. I like how they detail with the logos, keeping them black, right? I like how they incorporated the royal blue on the outsole of the shoe. It just makes the shoe complete with that royal blue for the design of the shoe. This shoe here is a clean shoe to me. The leather speaks volumes to me. I can see me rocking those. That price point, felt that should be like 120-ish, maybe out the door, 120, right? You go to StockX, probably go what? After taxes, come on, Jordan Brand, put some thought behind what you're doing, especially when you're going into the Christmas months, right? So I can see this shoe sitting some, but overall, I will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. What about you, my brother?
I totally agree with you about the price point. I will be rocking these because it is a clean colorway. However, that is a high retail price for these, even though these are the OGs. That's why they cost $140. But I agree with you. All the Jordan 1 lows have been sitting this year, even the highly anticipated Mocha 1s, which I thought was a nice colorway, do very well. Those were sitting as well. They were still sitting after the malls, after the release. Right now, all of them have been snatched up, so they're sold out right now, but they were sitting, and I expect these to sit too. This is a very clean colorway. I can see myself rocking these as well. I would like to get me a pair if I can get one for around 125, but I agree with my brother. 120 is a sweet spot for me, but I know I have to pay the taxes and fees if I'm ordering on the second-hand apps, but stay tuned for that.
Yes, sir. Hey, if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.